How to sell on Fiverr.com. Become a seller on Fiverr.com. Today I am going to show you how you can become a seller on Fiverr and make money. So let's get started. Hey guys, welcome back to Arena at Home. I do how-to online videos as well as work from home gigs. So if this sounds like something that you're interested in, please consider subscribing to my channel for more of that great content. If you do not have any idea about Fiverr.com, so let me explain it to you really quick. Fiverr.com is an amazing freelancing website that allows you to sell different services. You sign up for free, set up your gig, and offer your work to your clients. People order your services, and then you get notified and use the system to discuss details with the clients. You get paid on time every time, and you simply make money with it. First, let's talk about the things that you want to avoid when selling on Fiverr. Just to remember, your success on Fiverr is very important to you and the team as well. So you should avoid the following to keep in line with the community standards. Number 1, providing any misleading or inaccurate information about your identity. Opening duplicate accounts. Requesting to take communication and payment outside of Fiverr. Soliciting other community members for work on Fiverr. So what can you sell on Fiverr.com? Well, be creative. You can offer any service you wish as long as it's legal and complies with Fiverr terms. You can do graphic designing, logo designing, game art, business cards, NFT art. You can also do writing and translation. Here you can watch the video and learn how it works. You know, blog posts, translation, proofreading and editing. You can do video and animation, video editing, short video ads, animated GIFs, logo animation. There is also music and audio. We have, you can do voiceover art, producing and composing. We also have business, lifestyle. So there are different niches available on Fiverr. And then we have trending issue as well. So once you have signed up for your Fiverr.com, then you can simply start making money. So how much money can I make on Fiverr? It's totally up to you. You can work as much as you want. Many sellers work on Fiverr full-time, and some keep their 9-to-5 job while using Fiverr to make extra money. How much does it cost? It's free to join Fiverr. There is no subscription required or fees to list your services. You keep 80% of each transaction. How much time will I need to invest? It is very, very flexible. You need to put in, of course, some time and effort in the beginning to learn the marketplace, and then you can decide for yourself what amount of work you want to do. So that's pretty much it, guys, for today. Thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead and subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one.